Welcome everyone to Project Protein. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we're all about a high protein diet. For this video we'll be going over the Maverick Protein Smoothie, or a cherry blueberry white chocolate protein smoothie. Alright, so just to give a bit of an overview for this protein smoothie, it's modeled after Maverick from Top Gun. So if you think about Maverick, the helmet, red, white, blue, all American, kind of does his own thing, a little bit, kind of, once again, a Maverick doing their own thing. And the way I like to think of this protein smoothie is it's a combination of the red, white, and blue flavors. Comes in at 432 calories, 49 grams of protein. You get the red from the cherry, the blue from the blueberries, and the white from the white chocolate. Kind of all comes together to still get a very kind of all-American style smoothie. So first we got the cherries, and for me, I like the cherries in smoothies like this. Gives a nice, good amount of sweetness, but not too sweet, and it kind of gives some richer flavors, and it definitely complements the other ones. Blueberries for me also give really good antioxidants, really good for anti-aging, great during the winter time, fall season, so when it gets a lot colder, love to get some blueberries in there. The white chocolate, this one is Godiva, but you can get the Jello one as well. And the white chocolate definitely goes really good complementing the blueberry and the cherry, and then it gives a little bit more of a thicker, just because it's a pudding mix, it gives a little bit of a thicker texture. And then the last one here is the malted milk, which does once again give kind of more of a full, kind of rounds out and fills out the flavors a little bit to make it not just too sweet or too bland. So with that, let's go ahead and make it. Alright, so definitely first flavors I'm getting is the cherry here, is definitely the most prominent flavor, full cup of it. So you definitely get the cherry first, but then it kind of molds into a little bit of hints of the blueberry right up front. They kind of combine a little bit, so first it's kind of a cherry, then they kind of combine. The malt here definitely rounds it out more, so it's not just a high cherry blueberry and then falling flat. It definitely carries the flavor all the way throughout, the malt does. And I would definitely say the white chocolate is definitely prominent as the last flavor, hinting at the end. You get that nice white chocolate fading into kind of the background. So very, very good. Definitely thick, thick enough, especially with cherries and blueberries. It definitely thickens it up a little bit with the pudding mix. And yeah, once again, it's going to be cherry up front, going right into a little bit of blueberry, kind of rounds out for a bit, and then the white chocolate kind of kicks in just at the end to kind of finish off the smoothie. And kind of just like Maverick, I would say it's interesting. It's definitely an everyday type of smoothie that you can do. Definitely love it during the winter time, but I would say, yeah, just like Maverick, it's full flavor without being too sweet. It's definitely got enough of the potency, though, of the flavors going on. I think you guys are going to really, really like this one, especially if you like cherries. You're going to get a good cherry flavor in there. Nice full flavor. Really good for definitely everyday protein smoothie, especially non-workout days if you don't need bananas or things like that. Non-workout every day, you guys are gonna love this one, so try it yourselves. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. I definitely appreciate it. And if you can go ahead and smash the subscribe button, you're gonna get more high protein recipes like this. And let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, what you think about this recipe. What would you change about the Maverick, and what other type of recipes or videos do you want to see on the channel? I'm gonna go ahead and make them for you guys. Once again, thank you, I definitely appreciate it.